Sexy Lexi Babes, and welcome back to another video. So this video was requested and I'm going to be showing you all how to make the perfect clear lip gloss. So to begin, I'm going to take my 6-ounce TKB Gloss Base package and pour all of that gloss into this plastic bowl. So you want to make sure you take something flat. I'm using a remote, and you want to make sure that you get all of that gloss out of that gloss base package, because if you don't do this, then you'll be leaving behind a lot of lip gloss, and these prices of these pouches add up. Okay, so we want to make sure that you get all of the base out. So just use a remote or something flat and make sure you get all of that gloss out of the package so you can get your money's worth. So since we're making a clear lip gloss today, we're only going to be using coconut oil because coconut oil is a clear liquid and you want to make sure you use all clear liquids when trying to make a clear lip gloss. So as you know, I always use 6 tablespoons of oil in total when I'm using a 6-ounce base packet from TKB Trading to get the perfect consistency. So I'm going to pour 3 tablespoons first. Make sure you start off mixing your gloss slowly and then gradually going faster, just to prevent a mess and to make things easier for yourself. So after adding only half of the tablespoons that I normally add, this would be the consistency, which is not correct. You don't want your consistency to be like this. It's too thick and it's not thin enough, and it's just, no, that's not the consistency that we want. So we're going to make sure that we add 3 more tablespoons of oil to make a total of 6 tablespoons. going to add our polyisobutene, which is great for high shine. And we're also going to add some pear flavoring oil that I got from Lorian Oils. And this is a clear flavoring oil. So you want to make sure whatever flavor you use, it is clear. So here is the consistency that we will be looking for. It's not too thick, not too thin. It is the perfect consistency. And I get this consistency every time by using 6 tablespoons of oil with my 6-ounce gloss packet from TKB Trading. Now I'm going to take my 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill my wand and squeeze tubes. after filling all your tubes, this is how the outcome should be. So clear, it doesn't even look like anything is in them. And I named this gloss Fiji. So after drying my tubes and adding my labels, this is how the gloss came out. Perfectly clear. It does not have a tint. It is a perfect clear gloss. I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a blessed day. Don't forget to visit my website at www.sexylexinc.com.